Interrogative sentences. What are they, and do you want to learn them? Are they important? And if so, why are they important? Stay tuned and find out. Okay, interrogative sentences. Let's begin. What is an interrogative sentence? Well, an interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a direct question. It's as simple as that. An interrogative sentence always ends in a question mark. Very important. An interrogative sentence is used to obtain information or clarification. What are the three types of interrogative sentences? Number one, yes and no questions. Let's look at some examples, followed by the grammar. Question: is it raining? Answer: no. Question: would you like some tea? Answer: yes, please. Are you from Canada? Yes, I am. Do you speak French? No, I don't. Were you a good student in high school? No, I wasn't. Did you play any sports in high school? Yes, I played basketball. Have you ever been to Australia? No, I haven't. Can you play any musical instruments? Yes, I can. Okay, now that we have looked at some examples of yes and no questions, how do we form different types of yes and no questions in English? Yes and no questions with be verbs are formed be verb, subject, main verb, remainder. Remainder for these examples means any remaining words, any words or concepts or ideas at the end of the sentence. Okay, this example, notice that the remainder is left out. This example will only have be verb, subject, main verb. So, the first question that we looked at, is it raining? Be verb, subject, main verb. What does it mean? It means the weather. Is it raining? Okay, this example, no main verb. Are you from Canada? This one also no main verb. Were you a good student in high school? Yes and no questions are formed by using auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, remainder. These questions do not have be verbs. They use auxiliary verbs. For example, would you like some tea? Do you speak French? Did you play any sports in high school? Have you ever been to Australia? Can you play any musical instruments? This one, no remainder. Just auxiliary verb, subject, and main verb. Can you swim? Okay, let's talk about question word questions, the second type of interrogative sentences. Let's look at some examples, followed by the grammar. When does the movie start? At 7 p.m. Why are you so bored right now? I've seen this show before. How did you do on the test? I got an A. What's your friend's name? Her name is Alice. Where does your family live? They live in Toronto, Canada. Who wrote the Lord of the Rings books? J.R.R. Tolkien. What would you like for lunch? Let's have sushi. Question word questions with be are formed by question word, verb to be, subject, remainder. Okay. Why are you so bored right now? Question word, be verb, subject, remainder. Why are you so bored right now? What's your friend's name? For who questions, who is the subject? Who wrote the Lord of the Rings books? J.R.R. Tolkien. Who is the subject? Wrote is the main verb, and the Lord of the Rings books is the remainder. And here, remember, the question word is the subject. So who is the subject and the question word? Okay, question word questions are formed by using question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, remainder. For example, when does the movie start? How did you do on the test? Where does your family live? What would you like for lunch? Okay, let's talk about choice questions. Number 3. Let's look at some examples, followed by the grammar. Do you want butter or margarine on your toast? I'll have butter, please. Always. Butter is so much better, in my opinion. Does she prefer vanilla or chocolate ice cream? I think she likes chocolate. Did your family go to Japan in 2022 or 2023? 2023. Is the hotel on the left or on the right? It's on the left. Are you checking in to the hotel now or later? We're checking in later. Are you going to study chemistry or physics? Physics. Was the movie good or bad? It was terrible. So, really bad. Were you angry or disappointed? I was a little disappointed, but not angry. Choice questions with be are formed by using be verb, subject, main verb, choice one, or choice two. Okay. Are you going to study chemistry or physics? Chemistry is choice one. Physics is choice two. Are you going to study chemistry or physics? Are you checking in to the hotel now or later? Is the hotel on the right or on the left? Notice this example doesn't have a main verb. Sometimes with be, you only need be. Sometimes you need a main verb. This one also does not contain a main verb. Was the movie good or bad? Good or bad, they are adjectives. Choice one, choice two. This one also, no main verb. Were you angry or disappointed? Okay, now let's add a remainder, because this is possible also, with more detailed questions. Are you going to study chemistry or physics? At university. More information. Okay, let's add more information. Are you going to study chemistry or physics at university next year? All right, even more. Choice questions are formed by using, not the verb to be, but everything is the same. We use auxiliary verb instead of the verb to be. And we can add a remainder also, if necessary. Okay. Do you want butter or margarine on your toast? Can I say, do you want butter or margarine? Yes, but we both have to know what we are talking about, right? On toast. Maybe I'm holding toast. Do you want butter or margarine? And you know it's for toast, not, to paint your wall or something. Don't paint your wall with margarine. It's not good. That's a bad joke. Okay. Does she prefer vanilla or chocolate? What? Ice cream. Did your family go to Japan in 2022 or 2023? Okay. What's going on with this example? Why did I put the remainder in the middle? Well, with go to, travel to, you need to have a place to travel to, right? So if I say, did your family go in 2022 or 2023? That's okay if we both already know that we are talking about a trip to Japan. But if we both don't know this information, the trip to Japan, then I should say go to object, go to where, go to Japan. Did your family go to Japan in 2022 or 2023? I can also say, in 2022 or 2023, did your family go to Japan? And you can say yes, and then you can say the year. Okay, everyone. Why are questions important? Well, I think that's pretty easy, because asking good questions in school, in university, in your life, in your relationships, at your job, they are very important. Asking good questions helps you learn and understand the world around you and everything in it. It also makes conversation a lot more interesting. Remember, judge a man by his questions rather than by his answers. Voltaire, famous philosopher. I would rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned. This is a famous scientist, Richard Feynman. The scientist is not a person who gives the right answers. He's one who asks the right questions. I agree. Okay, guys, let me know your questions and comments down in the comment section below, and your ideas for future videos. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you for watching. Also, like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with a friend if you think they might benefit from its message. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.